Hello student, welcome to this my Mathrotrix channel. Please share and subscribe and give your comments. We'll continue this MCQ Olympiad questions. Now see, evaluate expression 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 4. So options are given. It is very simple. See, problem is given problem is written here. So base is same, multiplication is there, so we have to add the index. So this 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9. So this law we are using, so 2 raised to 9. So this is your answer. This question was very simple. Now evaluate the expressions 81 upon 16 bracket raised to 3 minus 4. So 81 upon 16 minus 3 upon 4 raised to minus 3 upon 4. So 81 means what? 3 raised to 4. 16 means what? 2 raised to 4, and again bracket raised to minus 3 upon 4. So here see, here 3 raised to 4, 2 raised to 4, so 3 upon 2 bracket raised to 4. This law we are using here, and here raised to again bracket raised to minus 3 upon 4. So this law we are using. So what will happen? 4 into minus 3 upon 4. So it will remain 3 upon 2 minus 3. Now here minus index is there. So we'll make it the positive. So what we have to do? We have to make the here 3 upon 2. This reciprocal is 2 upon 2. We have to write the reciprocal. So it's become positive. So 2 cube means it is a 8, and 3 cube means it's 27. So 8 upon 27. See, our answer is 8 upon 27. So where is that? Is the C your option. Now solve for x. 2 raised to x minus 1 into 4 raised to 2x plus 1 equal to 8 raised to 3x minus 1. So problem is written as it is. Then this C 2 raised to x minus 1. 4 means it is a 2 square raised to index as it is equal to 8 means it is a 2 cube bracket raised to its previous index as it is. Now here this law we are using here, a raised to m bracket raised to n equal to a raised to mn. So here multiplication will takes this first as it is, 2 raised to x minus 1 as it is. This 2 we have to multiply, so here make it the bracket and each term it will multiply. So 2 raised to 2 into, that means 4x plus 2, and here also we have to make the bracket, that means this 3 multiply this whole bracket or each term. So 3 into 3x means it is a 9x. This 3 minus 1 minus 3. Now see here multiplication is there, base is there, so we have to add the index. Okay, so here we have to add the, so x minus 1 plus 4x plus 2 equal to 2 raised to 9. Here adding means what? We studied that a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. This law we are using here. Then here addition, x plus 4x means 5x minus 1 plus 2 means it is a plus 1, bigger number sign, and your 2 raised to 9x minus 3 as it is. Then here this law we are using, a raised to n equal to a raised to m means n equal to m. So 5x plus 1 equal to 9x minus 3. So 5x, this 9x we are transposing this side, so it's become minus x, and 1 we are transposing this side, so become minus 1, you are minus 3 as it is. Now subtraction, plus and minus is there, so subtraction, bigger number sign. So 9 minus 5 means it is a 4x, and minus sign, bigger number sign you have to give. Here minus this there, so you have to add but minus sign. So very simple, x equal to minus 4, and this minus 4 is coming this side, so it is a division. So minus 4 upon 4 means x equal to 2. So where is the x equal to? See, x equal to 1, x equal to 1 is coming. So here x equal to means that is the C is your option. Now evaluate and simplify. Cube root of x raised to 6, y raised to minus 9, z cube. Okay, this given problem is written as it is. Then C will remove this cube root sign. Okay, cube root sign means what? Here raised to 1 upon 3. So x raised to 6, y raised to minus 9, z cube bracket raised to 1 upon 3, like this will come. Now here a raised to m into n means a raised to mn. So we have to each term now x raised to 6 is there and bracket raised to 1 upon 3. So here see 6 into 1, so 3 1s are 3 2, so here x square will come. So like this, minus 9 into 3 means 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, so minus 3 will come, y raised to minus 3. And z, see here 3 into 1 upon 3 means equal to 1, so only 1 is there, no need to write. Now here see x square minus y cube z. So x square is there, here 3 y raised to cube is there, but here minus sign means this option is not there. Okay, here see x square is there, but here again x is there, this option. But here see this option is there, see your x square is there. Okay, x square is there and z is there and y3 is written upon, because y minus sign is there now. So we can do this, y raised to minus 3 is there, so here we will write here y means, here y is there, see upon y means it is become 1 upon y means reciprocal of this, so its index become positive. So what will here numerator place, these two will come in numerator, that means x square z upon y cube. So x square, this C is your option. So thank you for watching.